So this is our new 428 cubic inch twin turbo Ford based. It's a Ford based off of a Windsor. This package fits in a early Mustang, 67, 69s. It's a really nice combination. 1,000 horsepower on pump gas, makes 1,500 horsepower on race gas. It's got an octane on demand feature where it drives on pump gas until it gets into the boost, and then the computer automatically switches into race gas. It's got our new billet throttle body and throttle body transition where the throttle linkage is mounted on the inside, so you don't see any of that stuff. It's got air conditioning, power steering, alternator, all on a common serpentine belt. Something else neat about this that we've done for the dyno here is we've got one of Ron Davis's new water-to-air intercoolers. So it's got a radiator and then a intercooler underneath the radiator. So this radiator cools the water running through the intercooler itself. This is some of the new development testing we've been doing on this, and it seems to work really nice. We're seeing on a hot pull like 35C in the intake manifold with this intercooler. Really kind of neat. We're running it with mufflers. This is a Dynamax bullet muffler, and we're running it with the mufflers. So just to give some realistic testing, it all runs on a serpentine belt. We'll get a little closer look at the damper itself. You can see the crank trigger built into it there. That is your distributor right there. All the exhaust is stainless, TIG welded, purged. Really nice. Of course, where do you get that? Nelson Racing. Just a really sweet little package that has super race car power but unbelievable street manners. And you'll see when we go run the video that it idles nice and it has nice throttle response. It's just a really good street car, crazy power, and it fits in the early Fords. And you know, a lot of people have been asking for the Ford applications, so we've developed a few of the turbo Ford applications. They really work very nice. So take a look. So there's a baseline pull for the Ford. .576 foot-pounds at the start of the pull, 4 pounds of boost, 731 foot-pounds at 742 horse, 5,800 RPM, still climbing, 8.4 pounds of boost, roughly 8 pounds of boost, dead rich, and low amount of ignition timing, only 28 degrees right now just because we're breaking it in. So here's a 12 to 13 pound pull. Again, low timing. 873 foot-pounds of torque at 4,800. Still making 726 at 4,200. And 887 horsepower and climbing at 5,900. 13 pounds of boost. Pretty cool.
fuel.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Listen to how tame it idles. Just a super streeter. Really nice.